In today's video, we're going to be breaking down a DeEsser. This is part 4 of my vocal mixing simplified series. So many people ask me to break down a DeEsser, and I have some really cool ways to always get de-essing right. So let's get to it. Alright, so in the past 3 videos, we simplified autotune, EQ, and a compressor.
Baby hit me with the sad eyes. When I see it, I get mad, I feel she deserved to live in paradise, yeah. Shake me up, I'm feeling paralyzed still. I don't really want to fight, I'm a real.
We got a nice, clean, consistent vocal right now, but as you guys heard, we have some S's, and most of us do when you're rapping and singing.
Ace.
Right there. So what I like doing for a DeEsser, step 1 is just finding the S and then looping it. So using this loop bar up here, we found this S. Ooh! Step number 2 is just, let's open up an EQ and we're gonna discover where this S is at. You see it right there? Boom. The main part is at 7800. It's right there, obviously. So let's even, what I like doing is just taking out everything and really honing in this. So we have this right here. What I like doing is scroll up until it stops and then see where it starts. Okay, so it starts right there because when I moved it up, it was taking out some of that S's. So we know that our de-essing should be at a frequency of, look at right here, 4280. So 4280 is where we're going to put that frequency. Because what I used to do is, I'd see it at 7800, I'd put the de-esser there, but I was missing all that stuff that was before that I didn't really hear. Let's say 4500. So we got the frequency. We're going to leave that on. After that, we're going to open up a de-esser. Open up any de-esser you want. Logic has one right here. We're going to set it up to around 4500. That is step number 2. Step number 3 is we're going to figure out the threshold at which it's coming in. So you're going to figure that out really easily because we have it looped and we're going to see it where it's hitting. The threshold's important because the higher I go, it's not going to compress that sound. And a de-esser, remember, it's taking that frequency. Anytime that S hits, it's deducting it. It's boom, it's compressing it down so you don't hear it. So we're just going to. Boom. All right, let's listen to this full thing. We'll turn this EQ off that's before it.
Hit me with the sad eyes. When I see it, I get mad, I feel she deserved to live in paradise, yeah. Shake me up, I'm feeling paralyzed still. I don't really want to fight, I want real life and some real ties. I feel like we got time to kill, but she hit me with the sad eyes. I hate.
Step number 4, you can really mess with this max reduction because sometimes if it's reducing 25 decibels, like it's taking the S and bringing it down, a big dip, you can mess with this max reduction. So let's mess with that.
Hit me with the sad eyes. When I see it, I get mad, I feel she deserved to live in paradise, yeah. Shake me up, I'm feeling paralyzed still.
Step 5 would be messing just with the filter and ranges on this. And let's hear the difference between both of these.
Baby hit me with the sad eyes. When I see it, I get mad, I feel she deserved to live in paradise, yeah. Shake me up, I'm feeling paralyzed still.
The difference between the filters is that this one right here, is just pretty much like this. It's every time an S hits, it's going boop. And then the other one is going like this. So we set it at 4500, it's going boop, boop. I like that more because so many times if I use this small notch filter, it's good to get a certain frequency out. But when I do this one, it just protects me to get those really harsh frequencies out of the mix. So that way you hear it on a surround sound or a car, it still sounds smooth. So that's what a de-esser is going to do. And once you find a nice range for your de-esser that works, I would just save as default and then, just use that for your voice so you can save time and never have to worry about it again. But if you guys have any questions about a DeEsser, let me know down below. The next video in the series, we're going to be simplifying delay on this vocal, and then the one after that is gonna be simplifying reverb. So I'm very excited about that. If you guys have any video suggestions at all, please leave them down below. And if you could, please like this video and turn it into confetti. And then if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We're the most consistent vocal mixing YouTube channel there is, and I'm so excited to grow as a community and family with you guys. We're going to be making more music, and we're gonna be getting higher quality music. So I'm so excited about this and growing this community. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace!